Good morning. My name is Brandon Whitaker, Regional Technical Sales with Applied Avionics. We are the manufacturer of the Vivasun lighted push-button switches and award-winning Nexus Avionics interface solution. The Nexus component technology has continued to gain popularity as a robust, simplified interface solution. Each one of these unique components can be placed inside a Vivasun illuminated switch or a Nexus module. This approach reduces bill of material, external packaging, and ultimately it is size, weight, and power efficient. Since speaking with you all last year, we've introduced several new components to the Nexus product line, including the Nexus time delay and the Nexus current sensor, our latest innovation in a switch. So let's take a look at both of these components, starting first with the time delay. The Nexus time delay is a simple device that can output a delayed ground or open signal after a specified trigger event, either on signal transition or on power up. This delay can last from 125 milliseconds up to 4 hours. For example, here's a common power-up application where we use 4 Nexus time delay components inside a single Nexus module to stagger various system startups. This approach is commonly used to avoid excessive current spikes when multiple systems are energized simultaneously. Now, in this example, once 28 volts is applied, each system turns on separately through a predefined timing sequence, in this case with about 1 second of separation between them. This type of solution could also be used simply to protect a power bus from overloading. With the addition of the time delay to the Nexus Component Technology Toolkit, we can now offer customers long-duration timing capabilities, all within the confines of the Vivasun switch or the 1 cubic inch Nexus module. And to complement this product, we've carried that innovation even further now into current sensing. So let's take a look. The new Nexus current sensor can sense a low-side DC current up to 1 amp and trigger a discrete output. The most common applications would include failure detections due to loss of operating current in the monitored system's ground path, such as low current floats or signal sensors. For example, take a look at this tank float circuit. As the fluid capacity in the water tank is filled, the current being monitored increases. Our current sensor waits until it detects the exact predefined level set, in this case 750 milliamps, and then outputs a discrete ground to turn on the Vivasun indicator. Now, in the case where you need to monitor current greater than 1 amp for control or indication purposes like pitot heat, fuel pumps, or motors, we can do that too. By using a Nexus voltage sensor, which is an existing component already proven in the field, we can indirectly measure the current greater than 1 amp. Simply add an external shunt. For example, let's take a look at this application for the pitot heat. When the temperature drops, the current decreases, falling below the predefined set point, in this case, 5 amps. The voltage sensor sees the trip point as 500 millivolts, which triggers a discrete output to alert the operator of the pitot heat failure. These 2 new components are a welcomed addition to the Nexus Component Technology product line. The time delay is available now, and testing is underway for the current sensor with a summer release date expected. At Applied Avionics, we aim to provide customers with an efficient solution that simplifies their design, reduces wiring, and reduces the wiring oftentimes associated with complex relay logic. This approach works, and we would love the opportunity to work with you on your next project. And finally, I have to mention ADS-B. As you all know, the deadline is very fast approaching. Keep in mind, Applied Avionics continues to have various configurations of ADS-B fail indicators in stock that are ready to ship, including our award-winning AirInc in a switch. We hope you have a wonderful show, and we look forward to seeing you at booth 523. Thank you very much.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 62nd Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Palm Springs, California, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
It's called Airtext Plus. The mobile office is now a true, cost-effective win-win reality because being available and part of the communication chain keeps you in control. Visit us at www.airtext.aero for more information and get started staying in touch today.